Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import some fonts into CapCut PC. So I want to download this font here first. So you're just going to download any font you want, open up the folder, and then you're just going to select the font file here and you're going to select install. And remember, the font is called Comica. I don't know. I'm also then going to close CapCut first, like actually close the app. And I'm going to open it up again. Open up any project, go to text, add in your default text. I'm just going to type in example. Go to the font, close down system and go to the close down presets and go to the system font. Scroll down and then it should be there. So you can also search for the font here. And as you can see, it's there in system, not in presets, so keep that in mind. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!